Highly welcome to another interesting topic from this channel where I share proven tricks and techniques to help you achieve the best result in your poultry and livestock farming journey. In today's video, we are diving deep into a game-changing plan that has been a huge part of my success in poultry farming using Azolla plant. If you are looking to boost your poultry's growth, increase weight gain, and improve overall health, this particular Azolla is the best bet for you. Azolla might be your new secret weapon. So stick around as we uncover the nutritional and medicinal benefit of Azolla plant, how I use it on my farm, and how you can start incorporating it into your poultry feed for exceptional results. Before I go on, let me briefly guide you and give you a brief history of Azolla. Before you get into the nitty-gritty of Azolla's benefits, let's take a brief look into its history. Azolla is a type of floating fern that thrives in water, primarily found in tropical and subtropical regions. During that early stage of our life, when we were kids, we used to play with this leaf, this grass, when we go to stream to swim. We don't even know that it has a lot of nutritional and medicinal value for poultry and livestock animals. And I never knew that I would still grow up to meet it in my farm, using it to do a lot of cost reduction in my farm. It has been used for centuries by farmers around the world, particularly in Asia, as a natural nutrient-rich feed for livestock and poultry. Known for its ability to fix nitrogen in the soil, Azolla has been a sustainable choice for enhancing the growth and health of livestock animals. What are the nutritional and medicinal benefits of Azolla plant to poultry and livestock? Azolla is loaded with essential nutrients that can significantly improve the health and productivity of your poultry and livestock animals. 1. It has high protein content. Azolla is packed with proteins, making it an excellent supplement for poultry feed. It contains up to 25 to 35% crude protein. You can see how rich this plant is, which is higher than many common feed ingredients. It has amino acids. It is rich and it provides rich source of essential amino acids that help in muscle development and overall growth of your poultry and livestock animals. It has vitamins and minerals like vitamin B12, vitamin A, vitamin C, and vitamin E. It also contains critical minerals such as phosphorus, calcium, and potassium, essential for bone health, egg production, and overall vitality. It has fatty acids. Azolla contains beneficial fatty acids that contribute to improve fat deposition and better weight gain in poultry and livestock. It has a lot of medicinal benefit. Azolla also offers medicinal benefit, acting as a natural antioxidant. It helps to boost the immune system, reducing the risk of infection and diseases in poultry and livestock animals. It's also known for its ability to support healthy liver function and digestive health in poultry and livestock. It improves feed efficiency. The high nutrient density of Azolla plant can enhance feed efficiency, meaning your poultry will gain more weight while consuming less feed. This leads to lower feed costs and better profitability. How do we prepare Azolla for your poultry? Now, as I'm talking, you'll be watching the video. So now, let's talk about how you can easily incorporate this Azolla into your poultry diet after this short break. Don't go away. Stick to your chair and let's come back. If by now you have not subscribed to this particular channel, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button and activate the bell notification so that once the update on this particular content comes up, you will be among the first set of subscribers that will get notified by this wonderful app. And if you have any question regarding this topic, Drop it on the comment section and tell me if you have been using this Azola to feed your poultry and livestock animals and the kind of results you have been getting. Let us compare it in the comment section, whether it is the same result I get from my own farm. Now, let's go there. 1. Azola. First of all, harvest the Azola plant. Azola is incredibly easy to grow. You can even cultivate it in a pond, dishes, or even container within your backyard. Fill with water. Simply allow it to float and grow naturally. It doubles its size in a matter of days, making it a sustainable and cost-effective source of feed for poultry and livestock animals. Preparing Azola is very easy. Once you have harvested the Azola plant, you can either feed it fresh or dry it for forage. You wash it properly, slice it or blend it with your either cutlass or kitchen knives. If you are feeding it fresh, just pluck the plant and place them in a feeding trough or directly scatter them around the poultry area. For dried Azola, dry it under the sun and it get dried within few days, and then grind it to mix with other feed ingredients. That's all. Ration. You can start by adding 5 to 10% of Azola to daily feed intake of your poultry and livestock animals, and as they respond, you increase this quantity depending on your feed formula. Now, for livestock animals, for four-legged animals, Azola can be fed to cattle, goats, sheep, guinea pig, rabbit, and other four-legged animals or other livestock as well. Simply ensure that the quantity align with the size and the nutritional needs of the animal you are feeding. It helps them gain weight in short period of time. It helps in milk production for animals, four-legged animals, like the ones that are having offsprings and the rest of them, like cow, sheep, goat. It also helps them to nourish their young offsprings and overall health in livestock too. It's very, very affordable. It is highly nutritious and it has a lot of protein that can boost your poultry and livestock animal within a short period of time. In fact, if you are into broiler farming, this Azola is the first plant you can ever use to boost their growth within a short period of time because of the high protein content. So there is nothing like Azola. Azola is not just an excellent source of nutrition, it is a powerhouse of benefit for both poultry and livestock. By integrating Azola into your poultry farming routine, you will see faster growth, massive growth, better feed conversion rate, and healthier birds overall. All these help you to save costs on feed. It is also a natural solution that supports your farm. If you are ready to give your poultry the boost they need, I highly recommend giving Azola a trial. It is easy to grow and affordable and incredible benefit. Thank you for watching this video today. If you have found this video helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this particular channel that help you to grow your poultry and livestock animal more effectively, more profitably, and lucratively. For more tips on improving your poultry farming practices, have you ever used Azola before, or do you plan to use it? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, happy farming and happy Azola. Welcome Azola into your farm and see the best results. Thank you. Bye for now.